we're Chris and Jen from Arizona.
And we just had an awesome meal at La Cucina.
Now enjoy this awesome video from Cruising with Wheels.
We are now at Stage Door Pizza for lunch. We can't get it open. Mary or Janine will open it.
There we go.
Ta-da! And I had a lovely conversation upstairs. I noticed they were speaking Italian and I spoke a little Italian to him, and they are from Firenze.
Thank you.
And Mary is the champ with the Coors Light. Yeah, baby.
See if I knew you were going to do that. Hello. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, I forgot to take a picture, so I already ate some of mine, but it is good. Yeah, baby. Hi guys, so to give you a little bit of context, we are at Fashion, and we're having cocktails. Happy hour is from what, 5 to 7?
Not 4:30.
Not 4:30, don't be early. Don't be early. They will not let you in. But they have happy hour from 5 to 7, so if you're staying at the RIU, or Riu. And yes, I've only had one Cosmo so far. Then you can have cocktails, happy hour. They have some great specials. We've had some whiskey sours. Yes, there are 2 Rius, which Dave and Darlene found out firsthand. It was quite the experience. Perhaps it will be a Tales from the High Seas. We're not sure yet. But there is the Riu, which is Manhattan, which is actually located in Times Square. And then there's the Rio Times Square, which is located in Times Square, but more downtown. So, my point was that we're at Fashion, we're having, we're having some cocktails, we're having a good time, and I just wanted to check in because I haven't so far. So, see you on the flip side. So we just left happy hour at Fashions, and now we are at an Irish pub. David is dancing. It is his birthday, and we are gonna go eat some food. So let's see what they have here to eat. We are at, where are we? We're Playwrights Celtic Pub, and I'm going to show you the menu. So they have some specials.
That's why you probably shouldn't get a burger or steak and cheese off the heels.
It's a Long Island. That's what I just said.
So we are eating dinner at the Playwright Celtic Club, and I have the chicken pot pie, and it is absolutely delicious. So you should get this when you come. It is so good. So what do you do in this city that never sleeps? When you can't sleep, you go to Times Square. That's where we're headed next.
It's a small world, man. Have a nice one.